Hello, I'm Max. This is Team 12. We're advocating for Microsoft Azure. Microsoft Azure is a cloud computing service designed by Microsoft. It's ever expanding. It's constantly expanding and constantly getting better upon itself. It's extremely valuable to a business as far as when it comes to the cloud computing. It uses infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service to just create a holistic, uh, useful tool for businesses when it comes to their IT support. It utilizes various things like virtual machines that can be placed across the country in different time zones, and as well as the payment is very uh, uh, helpful as it is more of an a la carte, you can pay as you go sort of system. And with that, I'll pass it to David to talk about different businesses that would benefit from using this service.
Hi, I'm David, and I'll be talking about reasonable target businesses for Azure. Azure is a very useful program for larger businesses who are in need of widespread information, and businesses where staying connected to your fellow employees is a key part of their operations. One example would be the company eBay. Azure is a useful tool for eBay because of all the data and analytics it provides, including its mobile engagement features that can collect real-time analytics that highlight users' behaviors. Azure also has extensive storage services that can store all the information a company may be tracking. And because eBay is a web-based company, the tracking and storing of all this analytic information, such as the user engagements or whatever else they may be tracking, is obviously a very helpful tool for them to have at their disposal. And then I'll be passing it off to Joey, who will be talking about motivations to use technology.
Hey, I'm Joey, and I'll be talking about motivations to use Azure. Azure is a great tool for a company to expand their established server. It is also an architecture designed by Microsoft that has been proven time and time again. And consistently, Azure allows them to consistently expand on their capabilities. And Azure is one of the most convenience-based platforms out there for a company where anybody can get on and use it and have access to it anywhere around the world. And with that, I will be passing it on to Logan.
Thanks, Joey. So my name is Logan. I will be talking about what the business is and what it can do for a business. So Azure is pretty unique in the aspect of its ability to cloud compute, which is a way to keep businesses connected, as in maybe they are business partners, allies, whatever it may be. It's ways to stay organized. It's ways to keep connection between other businesses. Also, too, virtual machines allow for the usage of multiple operating systems at any given time. So it's really neat because anyone with any role in the company can access it and be able to use the services that Azure provides. Also, another thing that it has as well is the storage capabilities, such as cloud storage space, so businesses can share their stuff to multiple locations. So for instance, like during all of this COVID stuff, it's unique to be able to share any sort of information that your business needs or is searching for any type of records or anything like that. You can share with all of your employees. Next, I will be passing it over to Jess, where she'll be talking about why you should choose Azure over its competitors.
Hello. So there's a couple great reasons why Azure is such a great option over competitors. So first, I would like to talk about price. Max talked a little bit earlier about pay as you go, which is just a really good option if you're just trying it out. And if you decide you love it and you want to continue, you can definitely continue that subscription. But if you decide maybe this isn't the best for my company and my business, you can also change it. Another great thing is that you also do get a $200 credit right in the beginning. So, and you don't have to limit yourself to saying, I don't want to purchase this yet because I don't know if I'm going to like it. You do have that freedom to spend up to $200 in the beginning to try different things, see what works for your business, see what can be beneficial. And then another reason would be just the ease of having the software be something that you know how to use. So if you log in from it from anywhere, it's always going to be the same. So it's just kind of like that ease of knowing how to use it and feeling comfortable and feeling confident in what you're doing at all times. And then with that being said, I'll pass it over to Max.
Well, as you can see, the uses of Azure are nearly limitless as cloud computing, the technology of cloud computing continues to expand, even with talks of use of the blockchain. There are nearly limitless ways that Microsoft can expand using this technology, and that's why using Microsoft Azure is a great way to expand your business's server into the cloud. So, and with that, thank you for listening. Have a great day.